Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am May. As you can see from the title, I will be doing a freezer declutter. Here's an overview of the fridge situation at the moment. There's clutter on top, on and around the perimeter. It's causing a lot of stress, so I need to do something about it. Inside the fridge is looking okay but lacks organization and still needs to declutter. It's likely that there are expired foods and duplicates of some things, and there are way too many condiments and things are just placed anywhere. The freezer is a big mess and the focus of today's event. And there's this problem here with the freezer handle. The screw came off a little bit after I purchased the fridge and needs to be fixed. Kenmore, I'm a little disappointed. I started by taking everything out of the freezer. I placed everything on the counters at first, but I realized I don't have enough space to work with. It's very cluttered and also needs some attention, but that's another event for another day. Therefore, I will be working on the kitchen floor. Here is everything that was in the freezer. I know which are the new items, so I think it'll be easy sorting. Let's get to it. Since this is drudgery, it calls for a refreshing cup of tea. I believe it was peppermint tea in my mug. Now let's start. I sorted everything into two piles. To the left is trash and to the right is the keep pile. I looked at the expiration dates and considered whether I'm realistically going to eat the stuff and went from there. I realized that I had 2 baggies of bell pepper, so I consolidated them into one. Here is the stuff that I'm going to toss. These things have been buried, forgotten, and are now expired. I feel really bad about tossing away so much food, but I shouldn't eat them now. I'm determined not to let so much food go to waste anymore. It's a waste of time and money. And these are the things that I'm going to keep. I'm going to try to finish up as much of it as possible before buying more, so I can kind of start from a clean slate. I sorted them into categories. These are the things with meat in them. And these are 2 Vietnamese meatloaves that I'm going to pass on to my brother. And here are the veggies. And these are meatless. I'm not vegan or vegetarian, but would like to reduce the consumption of animal products as much as possible. Lastly, this is the ice creams and the fish paste. Before returning everything to the freezer, I'm going to give it a quick wipe down with a 50-50 vinegar water solution and a rag. Now let's get everything back into the freezer. I placed the smaller bags on the top rack standing up so that they will be easy to find. I intended on organizing them by category, but I just organized them by size. On the bottom rack, I placed the larger bags. here's the final result. I'm super happy how it came out. Hopefully from now on it'll stay organized and things won't get buried and lost and forgotten. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this declutter organization video and subscribe for there is more decluttering fun to come. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Bye!